Hi Stampin' Up! Friends. This is Sue Barrett with StampinFromTheHeart.com, and today I'm going to do a little 10-minute Tuesday and share some ideas with using some of the new product that is available to you today, beginning today. That's right, Stampin' Up! Is giving you, our customers, an opportunity to purchase some items that are going to be in the new idea book and catalog when it comes out in June. So the early release is this set, Love What You Do, and it is a suite that is filled with lots of fun. You have 3 ways that you can purchase it. You can purchase a Just Getting Started bundle, a Little More Please bundle, or you gotta have it all bundle. And I won't go into too much detail with that right now in the video. I want to show you some other things today, incorporating scrapbooking and card making with these products. But I do want you to know that that's available and you can read more about it on my blog. So for today, I'm going to show you how I use some of these products making cards and scrapbook pages. And I've said it before and I'll say it again, a scrapbook page is just a large card. When I make a card or when I see a card I like and I want to make a scrapbook page, I just think large, a big version of that card. So I'm going to show you 3, I think I have 3 different pages, or maybe 4, no, 3 different pages today that I made a card and a scrapbook page using some of these products here. So I'm just going to clear this. This was our, again, our suite, our Love What You Do suite. So I'm just going to move all this aside for right now and bring out to you my first card that I actually showed last week on my blog, and that's this It's a Beautiful Day card. So I did a little tutorial about that card. Well, this week I turned that card into a scrapbook page. I don't know if you could see all of that, but I actually took the card and made a duplicate, but just without an opening, just a flat, the front of the card. I rounded the corners and then I mounted it on our beautiful DSP, our Designer Series paper. I also did some stamping the same way that I stamped the card front over here. I stamped on the edge over here, on the opposite page, to make a 2-page coordinating spread. So when you look at those two together, it just looks so fun, so vintage. I love it. So just very soft and very easy to put together, and now I have great space available for my photos. Okay, so that's that set, or page, and scrapbook page and card. The next one is using the same DSP series paper, okay, and this is called, let me get that, Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper that is in that bundle that is available to you. So here is the card that I featured on my blog. I think I featured it on my blog last week. I'll have to double check. I know I used this at my demonstrator meeting, and the demonstrators that came to my home made this card. And it's actually, the card itself is a piece of the DSP, just cut to card size, so that there is a decorative showing on the inside as well as on the outside. And then we just did a little bit of stamping. So I made a quick and easy card, but looks like you spent a lot of time. I also want you to notice these doilies that are on here. Those are new, and it has a luster, a pearl luster. They are called pearlized doilies, and those are in the bundles as well. Those are going to be new. And regarding the bundles, these special bundles are only available between May 1st and the end of May. And come June, you are not going to be able to get these bundles this way. You can get the product, but you won't get the specials. You get free product when you purchase the bundles ahead of time. So definitely want to check that out. Who doesn't like free stuff, right? So, okay, so getting back to the pages, I used the DSP, and what I did here, let me see if I can grab my DSP here. this designer series paper, this is the front side. Whoops, that's the back side. I didn't use the front side, or the back side on this one. Where's the one I'm looking for? Is it this one? No. Where is it? I can't find it. Oh, maybe I didn't pull that one out. Let me grab that one over here. Sorry guys, this is real time here. Well, I can't find it on here. Maybe I've used all of that one because I made so many cards. So this is in the back of that, just like this card, like I showed you here. I guess I could show you again here. That's the inside, that's the outside of the card. Well, that's just the front and back of the cardstock. So I just used front and back here. And then this one, it coordinated nicely. That's what I used here, but I did not use this side, although that is gorgeous. Can't wait to make a page using that. Okay, so there's that card and scrapbook page, and you can see I incorporated this stamp just by putting it on the edge here. This stamp right here. So there you go. That's that page. Real easy, real quick, and so pretty. Oh, what I wanted to show you on this one too is the sponging. Okay, this one I kind of gave a border by using the same color that I stamped in, which was the Tranquil, it's right here, Tranquil Tide. And so how I did that was using a finger dauber. Hope you can see this. Just take that and just do this. And then it gives a nice frame around the edges without using an additional piece of cardstock. So it'll be lighter, and especially because I already have 2 pieces of cardstock on there now. So you get the idea. Just sponge the edges and it frames your page. So there you go. There's that one. And last but not least, I used this designer series paper with, I'm showing you a sneak peek of a stamp set that I actually won at Prize Patrol at our on-stage event. Sorry about my squeaky chair in the background. This was a set that I won at the on stage in Hartford, Connecticut when I went there last month. It's called Around the Corner. Here's the card that I made. It's your day, cute fun birthday card, just simple birthday card. So I did the same, I kind of took the same thing, but again, thought big. And so I just mounted my 11 by 11 piece of DSP in the background, and then this one is 6 by 6. And then I did the same thing here using our brand new punch, corner punch, triple corner punch here on the edges. And I believe I showed how to do that in an earlier tutorial. So you can check that out. I use that on the edge. So I did the same exact thing. So made my big card into a page. So I have plenty of room for photos all around the edge there. And it'll have some pretty paper to border those photos. And then on this one, I just kind of took the remaining piece of the 6" by 12", kept it 6 by 12, just put it on the edge, took this piece, the opposite side, the other side of this one, the other 6 by 12 cut in half, turned it over, used it here, and then the parts that I trimmed off from here, I used on the edge here to give some more color. So I just thought that was a great use of 2 pieces of DSP. And then in that set, there's another cute corner frilly piece right there. I just stamped that in the corner, and that's all I needed, really. I don't really need to add a lot more. And all it needs now is photos. So there's that page. So another scrapbook page, another card, thought big, have cards and scrapbooking done together. So I think that's it for today. I do want to encourage you to check out all of these products on my website. and consider purchasing your bundle of your Love What You Do stamp set and all the coordinating things that go with it. I think you'll have a lot of fun with it. I'm getting ready for a scrapbooking retreat this weekend, so my time has been filled with stamping and cutting paper and ribbon and so on and so forth. I've been having a ball over here. I'm looking forward to stamping with my Stampin' friends, and I hope one day you'll join me at one of my retreats. We have a lot of fun together. Thanks for joining in, and visit my website, and if you have any questions, just drop me a line. Bye-bye.